Here's an app called Restyle, Cartoon Yourself app. I think this app is powered by Reface, face swap video app, which was quite popular. It's allowed to create AI avatars, and now this app allows you to create AI avatars with even more advanced filters. But also in this app, you can create AI video, so you can use some AI video filters. However, it's only available in the paid tier, so just upload the video and then you can just elevate your photos, attach some cool filters to video, and if you still like, you can also just use it with photos. And this app is actually doing pretty great job. I just tried it out. The filters are really cool, and so let's just try it out. So if you just open the app, here you have the app. You have video restyles, but it's only available in the pro version. But you can use some things even in a free version. There are some filters available in a free version as well. But you will need to watch this a bit annoying ads. But that's what it is. I can just. And then you see this is like a Lego filter, which is pretty cool, and it's quite great job. You can use it, like there are so many use cases where you can try. And then you can also just create like a Shrek filter, whatever, cyberpunk, like cartoon, all of these filters. But then there are like paid filters. If you want to upgrade, you will need to pay lifetime $34 or 1 week $3.50. And then also you will remove watermark and ads. But when you created this filter, you can share it in Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want. So that's basically the idea. That's how it works. So yeah, and then if you want to try this cool video feature, you still need to upgrade. But that's the whole point of this app, that it's not only photos, it's also videos. So then if you want to erase your personal data, you can just easily do that here. That's pretty cool feature, because you upload in some sensitive photos or videos, you can always delete that.